The most common question regarding e-commerce revolves around how an online store operator can effectively charge their customers for products and services, and subsequently, how they can access those collected funds. While cash on delivery and bank transfers offer straightforward ways to secure payments, the most versatile and convenient payment method involves accepting credit cards for greater flexibility. In order to accept credit cards in your online store, you'll need to connect your store to an accepted payment gateway. A payment gateway is essentially a digital portal that receives credit card payments on your behalf, and then it transfers those funds directly into your bank account. One of its main benefits is that it protects the online store operator from most types of fraud, safeguards your customers' information, and facilitates the transfer of funds to the store operator in a secure and organized way. One of the most popular payment gateways in the Arab world is the 2Checkout payment gateway. In this video, we'll delve into all the necessary details to help you make an informed decision about whether this particular payment gateway is the right fit for you and your e-commerce store, and we'll also guide you through the registration process. The 2Checkout payment gateway allows you to accept many different payment methods on your e-commerce store, including Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and American Express. Moreover, it also supports bank transfers. 2Checkout also lets you charge customers in these currencies: Jordanian dinar, UAE dirham, Egyptian pound, US dollar, euro, Omani riyal, Saudi riyal, Kuwaiti dinar, Moroccan dirham, Algerian dinar, Tunisian dinar, and Lebanese lira. 2Checkout allows you to withdraw your funds using a number of flexible methods. This includes transferring funds directly to your bank account through a bank transfer, or by utilizing Payoneer or WebMoney services. And the team created a very powerful product that serves customers excellently across the globe. However, like any system, it does come with certain drawbacks. The payment gateway's cost is slightly higher than PayPal's in terms of commission, as it charges a 3.5% commission fee per transaction, in addition to a fixed fee of 35 cents. Another downside is the very strict identity verification requirements to open an account with 2Checkout. You will be requested to provide a number of documents to verify your identity, address, and the details of your financial institution. They are also stringent regarding the types of goods you are permitted to sell through their platform. Now for the registration method, navigate to the 2Checkout website. Input your username, email address, and a password. This password must consist of uppercase and lowercase letters, symbols, and numbers. Please enter your website link and the country where you currently reside. It is crucial to provide entirely accurate information, as you will be required to submit proof of your residency. Kindly agree to the terms and then click the Create Account button. Now, after completing registration, you need to click on Apply Now in the Start Your Application box. Please enter your country, your residential address, and your postal code. Next, indicate whether this is the exact same address you've provided on your website. Enter your website address, which should contain your address details, and click Continue. In the second step, you will be asked for your store's information. Enter a description for the store. From the business type field, select that you are an individual seller, not a company. If you are a company, you must enter its name. Please enter your tax number. This is not crucial for those residing in Arab countries, therefore you may input any arbitrary number. Kindly provide your business start date and a reachable phone number where you can be contacted. Then, enter the email address you plan to use for responding to customers. It is preferable to use an email address with your store's own domain name and then choose your refund policy. Enter your projected annual sales and click Continue. Step 3 is owner's information. Enter all required details accurately and truthfully. Now select a document you can upload, such as your passport. Please upload a picture of your passport, agree to the terms, and then click on Application. Your information will be reviewed, and you'll be contacted to verify your serious intent. This way, your site will be completely ready and free of errors. Upon approval, you will obtain both a public key and a secret key. These two keys are essential and will be utilized on your Shopify site to facilitate receiving your payments through 2Checkout. However, if your application is not accepted and is rejected by 2Checkout, you may reapply. You are allowed 3 attempts to submit your application before being blocked. When you reapply, you must register again from the beginning. However, this time, you need to pay attention. With each re-registration, you must alter the email address you register with and also modify your store's website address, though not entirely. For example, if you entered your store's domain with HTTP, you should now replace HTTP with www, or for instance, add a slash at the end of the URL. Any minor modification to the URL should be sufficient for your submitted address. The address you submit to 2Checkout must be the same one listed on your website, and your site's policies must be 100% genuine. There's a review process for these policies, and any deviation will result in rejection by 2Checkout. Additionally, your website's content needs to be authentic and comprehensive. Share your questions in the comments and don't forget to like the video.